Struggling with dry skin, dark spots, or early wrinkles? You're not alone. But what if one natural oil could fix all that without breaking the bank? Let's uncover the beauty secret of castor oil for ageless, glowing skin. Important: castor oil is best used only in the evening, as it's thick and needs time to nourish your skin overnight deeply. Common skin problems and causes. Many of us deal with frustrating skin issues. Dryness that makes skin look dull, fine lines and wrinkles that show up too early, dark spots and uneven tone from sun exposure, acne and scars that just won't go away. What causes all this? Lack of hydration and collagen, exposure to pollution and UV rays, harsh skin products, poor diet or stress. Our skin barrier gets weak and we lose that natural glow. But there's a gentle, effective way to nourish and repair it naturally. Castor oil. Enter castor oil, a thick golden oil made from castor beans. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Plus, it's packed with vitamin E, omega fatty acids, and natural humectants that draw moisture into the skin. Used for centuries in Ayurvedic and natural skincare, castor oil is nature's answer to damaged skin. Skin benefits of castor oil. Here's what castor oil can do for your skin, naturally and effectively. Boosts skin brightness, deeply hydrates and improves blood flow for a healthy glow. Stimulates collagen production and acts as a natural Botox rich in ricinoleic acid and vitamin E. It firms skin, smooths fine lines, and reduces wrinkles naturally, giving you a youthful look without injections. Fades, blemishes, and scars. Helps lighten dark spots, acne scars, and pigmentation for an even tone. Prevents dryness and flakiness, locks in moisture, keeping skin soft and supple. Calms acne and inflammation. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory powers soothe irritated skin. Use castor oil. Castor oil is thick and heavy, so never use it alone on your face. Always choose organic, cold-pressed and hexane-free castor oil to ensure you receive all the natural benefits without the addition of harmful chemicals. Also, store your oil in a dark glass bottle away from sunlight to keep it fresh and effective longer. For your first use, try this nourishing glow serum. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil and add 2 drops of lavender essential oil. This blend brightens, soothes, and hydrates your skin naturally. You can also create a gentle detox face mask by mixing 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of multani mitti, fuller's earth, and enough water or rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply the mask evenly on your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. This mask deeply cleanses and refreshes your skin. For everyday hydration, blend castor oil with your regular moisturizer to avoid heaviness and improve absorption. Always apply castor oil treatments in the evening, giving your skin time to absorb and repair overnight. Here's a simple routine. 1. Use organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil stored in a dark glass bottle. Mix as described or with moisturizer. Massage gently on clean skin at night. Rinse off in the morning with warm water. Always do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Nature gives us powerful tools, and castor oil is one of them. Want glowing, ageless skin without chemicals? Give it a try and see the transformation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health with Hamid for more natural health and beauty tips.